My name is Abiat Shudingwenya and I do farming in Kweni district, Uganda, a place called Ngeni in Chibora. I specialize in farming maize on the first season and sunflower on the second season. I also have a small farm of 5 acres where I do mostly onions, horticulture stuff. Those are onions, tomatoes, carrots, and watermelons. I came to partake mostly in farming because farming is the drive of Africa. Everything you can go and study engineering, but there are many people already there, but there are very few people who are providing food for the nations. So we need more people to partake in farming, so I chose to be one of them. When it comes to the Holland tractors, I've used a Holland tractor, not as mine, but I've been renting it from a friend, paying per acre. But I decided to purchase one which is mine because the speed it would move on was really high and it was plowing so nice. And we never go to get many challenges when they're planting. So I chose to own one, so which is why I'm trying to find out the details on how to acquire one and buy it. I would advise women to join in farming because nowadays the smart business no longer pays out, but farming does because you're your own manager. You don't have to need someone to boss you around. So more women should come and join farming, be it hard cash crops or the horticulture because it's so beneficial. I also advise the government to help women, both with men, on acquiring these machineries because when it comes to farming, it's not all about cash, but machinery is the power for everything. It is the pillar for farming because you use the tractor, you need to have a harvester, a sheller and all those. So the government should try to see it can donate as more tractors and they can have contracts with these tractors like New Holland so that they can distribute it to farmers.